Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we are going to discuss a common topic, a highly requested video that we believe deserves attention, and that is, can anyone make multiple PayPal accounts? Is that even possible? If it is, then we will let you know by tuning in to the end of the video. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit that subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Okay? Question is, can you do it? Make multiple PayPal accounts? Well, all you gotta do first, before we dive into the bottom of the question, you might want to go to the web browser of your choice. I'm using Google Chrome right now, but PayPal.com is compatible to any type of browser, be it Safari, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Brave. And once you're there, if you look in the interface, the home page, you can't find the answer, right? All you gotta do is go to the help section right here. Go to the help here, help and FAQs. And then there's this one window that will have the answer. Okay, it says here, can anyone have multiple PayPal accounts? And the answer is basically you can have one personal account and one business account. All right, and you must register each account with a unique email address. All right, that's it. Now for business, it's the same thing. Okay, you have, remember, anyone has the option to maintain multiple PayPal accounts with the condition that you hold one personal account and business account. It's important to note that each of these accounts must be associated with distinct email addresses and separate financial information. For example, you have you're in a company or business and you want to have it a separate identity. That's the only reason you're gonna create multiple accounts for PayPal, right? And additionally, you can choose to upgrade your personal, this one, you, you can upgrade your personal account to either a premier account or a business account as needed, all right? And that's it for today's video. If you find it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.